Right, I'm out in the garage. I'm going to try a first edit off the phone. So it's on my Galaxy S8. I haven't made a video on this yet. So I'm going to try out my Pathfinder cook set, and I've just bought the Outad Trangia set. I think it was for 12 quid delivered off Amazon. So I'm going to give that a bash. Okay, so this is the first burn. Should be enough. Alright, so it comes in nice. It's quite light. Little cooker. I'm going to try and light it with flint and steel. But I'm going to try and do it one-handed and holding the phone. So I'll give you back now if it goes. Okay, so a couple of sparks and it got going. So I'm going to let that prime itself. Oh yeah, I'm using denatured alcohol in there, not using meth. So I'm using that so it gives a cleaner burn. Got the Pathfinder cook set, the lid. So I'm just going to put enough water in there to fill the cup up. Fill it to the top, and then I got enough for a swill then. I'll make a brew so I know how much is going in there. So that comes up to about... So it comes up absolutely nowhere near the measurement thing. So the stove's starting to kick into life, but let's put the lid on the Pathfinder now. Don't even know if it fits on there. No, it doesn't. That's no good then. Right, so that doesn't fit. So I've just had a look in the garage and I found some old brackets. So that one goes across there. That one goes across there. And then I'll just have to chuck that one in the middle like that. Right, so I might have to have an improvised mod on that. Test your kit. Seems to be burning alright underneath. So, denatured alcohol is burning well. Bit of condensation on the outside. No smell, no black. Around, yeah. So the stove looks to have primed itself well now. And then we just wait. Okay, so we're moving on. It's only 5 minutes that's been now. And starting to get a few bubbles in there. There. The steam coming off the top now. There we go, it's 7 minutes in. I think it's 5 degrees in the garage at the moment. So just hear a bit of a reaction going now. About 8-9 minutes. Okay, so here we go. Rolling boil. That's around about 10 minutes. So handle's called attach. There we are. So the Outad Trangia stove doesn't fit the Pathfinder, so now we know. But you can do with a little mod, except it's not what I wanted. So it's not the best because I could just snuff it out with the lid, but now I've got 2 pieces of hot metal, so I'm going to need a pair of gloves in the pack as well now for that. And I got to wait for them for cool down, which shouldn't take long on the floor, but. So it goes out well enough. So the actual, this hot. I mean, you could move it. Couldn't hold it for very long, but well, yeah. The outside's pretty warm, but it's movable. Okay, that's cooled enough to handle. So the Pathfinder pot. The lid on. I don't know. I wouldn't like to. I suppose you could bend it in, but don't really want to do that because these inserts down here, then I'll try and crush that in, goes against that. So I think the easy mod is just two little tent pegs or something like that across there, but it worked well enough, just not what I wanted. Okay, so we've still got some fluid in there, so let's test the seal. We've got some fluid left, let's see what it's like. So I've just nipped it at hand tight. That's off the lid of the mug. But, yeah. Nothing coming out of that.